working on a Viking warrior's face for wood burning. Finished doing the bands on his helmet. Getting there. Put the axe in. I gotta give him work on his shoulders a little bit down here. I think it's drawn and ready for wood burning. Anyway, next step, see if I could wood burn it. Keep it halfway decent doing the wood burning. It's a piece of oak, so it's kind of tough to wood burn. That's my next step. Alright, so back to the drawing board. I got some critique from my kids, who are some pretty good artists, and I'm going to make a few changes. Make the eyes a little smaller, the nose a little bigger, a little broader, a little bigger, and that's some of the main changes they think I should do. And I'm going to work on that. Do the edges, and I'll do the back side. Then I'll let it dry